There are a handful of countries with Guinea in its name, and 3 of them are in Africa. At first glance, one may think they are similar, but that's far from the truth. If you'd like to know the difference, then you are in luck. Anyways, here are the Guineas of Africa. Like, subscribe, and share please to help us. Thanks and enjoy. The word Guinea can be traced back to the 15th century as European explorers coined the name based on the dark skin of the Africans they came into contact with. This word came as they saw the difference between the darker Africans beneath the Sahara and the lighter Berbers in the north. It is also believed that even the Portuguese borrowed the word from the Berbers, who called the Africans south of the Sahel Guinean, meaning the burnt people. So to tell the difference between the 3 Guineas, the easiest point of reference is Equatorial Guinea was colonized by the Spanish, Guinea-Bissau was colonized by the Portuguese, and Guinea was colonized by the French. According to independence, Guinea is the oldest of the 3, with Guinea-Bissau being the youngest. Equatorial Guinea derived its name from obviously the proximity to the equator, while Guinea-Bissau used its capital in its name to prevent confusion from the other 2 Guineas. In comparing the countries, Guinea is the biggest of the countries in land size, with Guinea-Bissau being the smallest. This would also mean Guinea has the largest of the population with 12 million people, while Equatorial Guinea is the smallest with 1.4 million people. Guinea-Bissau and Guinea share identical colors on their flags. However, Guinea-Bissau has a black star on its flag with perpendicular stripes. Equatorial Guinea's flag is much different from the other 2 with different colors altogether, accompanied with the crest of a tree in the middle. Equatorial Guinea has its capital on an island, even though it plans to relocate its capital to the heart of the mainland. The economy of Equatorial Guinea is dependent on crude oil and then fishing and cocoa. With the discovery of crude oil at Equatorial Guinea, foreign visitors have been arriving at the nation, hence Americans not even needing a visa. Guinea and Guinea-Bissau's economies are dependent on agriculture, fishing, and mining, with Guinea having 1/2 of the world's reserves in bauxite, as Guinea-Bissau's economy is dependent on the export of cashews. Religion is spread out among the 3 countries. Guinea has an overwhelming majority of Islam as its religion, with Guinea-Bissau having just over half of the population being Muslim. Equatorial Guinea, on the other hand, has more Roman Catholics than other religions in the country. You cannot be a Guinean or an Equatorial Guinean by birth in these countries. However, you can become a citizen of Guinea-Bissau by birth in the country. You cannot be a citizen of Guinea no matter how long you live there, but you need to live in Guinea-Bissau for 5 years and Equatorial Guinea for 10 years to become a naturalized citizen. When it comes to the politics of each nation, things are interesting. Equatorial Guinea has a history of only 2 presidents, a story we will not get into. However, do your research and you'll be horrified or thrilled. Guinea-Bissau, on the other hand, has not had a president serve a full term until 2014, which is underpinned by corruption. Guinea, meanwhile, just had the president who spent more than the allotted terms in office overthrown, with the military head of special forces currently as president. The majority of the people in Equatorial Guinea are the Fang, and the Fulanis are the majority population in Guinea and Guinea-Bissau. When referring to the nationals of these countries, they go by Equatorial Guineans, Bissau Guineans, and Guineans. Interestingly, there was also a German Guinea, which later turned out to be Togo and Cameroon. Papua New Guinea derives its name from the Spanish colonizers believing these locals looked exactly like the Africans they had met earlier. So there you go. Hopefully this is enough to make you look smarter in a room if you ever stumble into a conversation about any of the Guineas. But please remember this one important thing. Guinea pigs are not from any of the Guineas, and they're not even pigs either. Thanks for watching. Will we see you in the next one?